Welcome to the Hydraulic Press channel. Today we are going to do video with your favorite tool, Worm Maker 5 million. And all the stuff here, it's viewer requests. So big thanks to all that you have recommended something. Let's start with the Stretch Armstrong because it's my favorite from all of these. Yep, so here is our guy. Looks like he's going to drop the press, but we will see about that. And here we go. Uh-oh, is our tool broken? Because the head is here. No, the tool is just fine. Oh. And what the hell is this? Looks pretty interesting. I think the tool got a little bit bent. Here you can see, but I think we can fix it. Isn't big deal. And here is the end result. And we have turned the Armstrong guy to Donald Trump. What the hell? What the fuck is... it's just like Donald Trump. How the fuck this happened? But I have to say that Donald is quite a tough guy. There's quite a lot of pressure and he's doing pretty fine. And next one is magic sand. So this should be pretty soft and easy for the tool. Ah! Check the tool, it's all completely like bent. There is now 150 bars of pressure and the sand doesn't want to come out. How the hell this is possible? It's really soft. And there is like pretty good amount of pressure. This is pretty hard now. Yeah, it just doesn't want to come out. But it still works. Yep, and then the next one, we have 3 candles burning there. And I think this is going to be pretty good because they are so nice colors. And here we go. That was nice! Check how long these are. How the soft sand, it didn't come, and then the hard candles, they come out really easily. These are really nice. And then the next one, rubber band ball. And my wife said that this is going to be boring, but I can already tell that this is going to be really interesting. So here we go. Uh-oh. The tool is bending again. And the rubber bands are not coming out. It survived.
As I said.
Yeah. Wife win and I lose. And then the next one, pulp. It's a bit like paper, but it doesn't have clay or any other stuff than the wood fibers there. And it's wet to make it like soft and flowing. I'm quite sure that we can extrude it out. So here we go. What the Yeah, we made this pulp pancake, and seems that most of the pulp didn't make it out, but some made and made it quite fast. And then the next one, these are squeegees toys, and there was quite a lot of requests for these, and they should be pretty good because they were really expensive. There is 50 euros worth of stuff there right now, so I hope that you really are going to enjoy this one.
Oh!
It takes quite a long time, and I'm a bit afraid that my tool is going to break.
Again.
Feels really soft. It actually feels like real cake. It's just the same as the real cake.
Taste it.
It says that not to eat on the package, but nothing about the pressing. Yeah, pretty interesting. I'm not completely sure was this worth of 50 euros, but I hope so. And this should be quite interesting. We have big clump of ice there, and I think it's going to come out.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, the ice is melting, but it doesn't like extrude. I'm actually quite surprised. Yeah, and the melting is just to the heat transfer from the tools. To melt ice with pressure, you need a lot more pressure than we have there now. Holy shit! It didn't like extrude out, but it changed its shape. This is pretty hard. It's like just solid ice. Yeah, and this is also really interesting. We have duct tape, and I think it's not going to come out there, but let's try. No. I try again. Oh, yeah, it didn't come out. Yeah, and then we have only the stupid thing left. 2 power banks in one go, and we will put some sharp screws under the power banks to make sure that they explode. And don't try anything like this at home, it's really stupid and dangerous. Yeah, and here we go. It's really stupid. I was hoping little bit bigger explosion. Yeah, and that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. today's extra content, we have this tapir. It has really long and dangerous nose and it can sniff you to death, so we have to deal with it.